Hi, today we're going to be focusing on adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that describes a verb or an adjective. There are three types of adverbs in particular. The first one is place, then time, and then manner. These three types of adverbs answer three questions. These include when, where, and how. So the first kind of adverb is a place adverb. This answers a question where. This describes where an action has occurred. So on the right, we have examples of words that are place adverbs. These go anywhere from about, anywhere, backward, down, to outside, towards, and upstairs. Examples of these in sentences include Marissa ran downstairs because she heard the doorbell ring. Here, the place adverb would be downstairs because it's describing where Marissa ran. The next example is he pushed the soccer ball so it rolled around in my backyard. So here, the place adverb would be around because it's describing where the soccer ball rolled around. Our last example for place adverbs is the rocket was flying towards the Earth's atmosphere. Here, the place adverb would be towards because it's talking about where the rocket is flying. So the next thing is the time adverb, which answers the question when. Again, on the right, we have examples of time adverbs, which goes from daily, annually to yet, still, soon. A constant misconception is that adverbs always end with ly, and while they do, there are still other words that don't necessarily end with ly. So this describes when an action occurs. An example of this in a sentence is my friends and I go shopping weekly. Here, weekly describes the how often or when my friends and I go shopping. The next question is, the next statement is Kayla never keeps her room tidy because she's very busy. Here, never describes when she keeps her room tidy. And the last sentence is, I wear my sunglasses occasionally because I want to protect my eyes. Here, occasionally describes when I wear my sunglasses. Now for our last adverb, it's the manner adverb, and this is the one that most people know about. It describes how something happens. So on the right, we have accidentally, angrily, anxiously, which are just a few examples of all the different kinds of manner adverbs. So the first example of this is to make sure Sully's mom didn't hear me, I whispered softly. So here I'm whispering softly because Sully's mom, I wanted to make sure Sully's mom didn't hear me. The next sentence, she gladly accepted money from her grandparents. How did she accept the money? Gladly. And then the last example would be Max rarely used his phone because he thought it was a distraction. So here, rarely would be how often he used his phone. So those are the three types of adverbs. Thank you for watching.